have in front of me here a roll of global 40-metre fibre optic pre-terminated cable with FC PC connections. You can see the cable in front of me here, but it comes in this outer bag here, which basically gives the name of the product, the specifications, the overall length, which is very important, we'll say, particularly if you have a whole range of different pre-terminated cables. And it's part of the Global's 700 range, so it's just a general specification of cable that they have. Let's look at some of the key points inside it then. So it's a 3mm cable, outer diameter, it's steel armour, and it's LSZH, so low smoke, zero halogen, which is very important because it's often specified as a legal requirement for industrial commercial jobs, and basically it means that it's non-halogenated cable and it's flame retardant, so if there's a fire or something like that, it won't emit dangerous smoke. The cable, it's a PVC coating on the outside, so it's suitable for both internal and external use. What I've done here in front of me is I've actually just cut open the cable, and I'll just go through quickly some of the key points on it. So the first thing to note here is that I've removed the dust cap that would at all times be covering the fibre optic cable in the centre here. And what we have then is, if we look at the actual cable itself here, it's the outer diameter on it is 3mm, but inside there we have braiding. Then we have this armoured steel armour here. Inside there there's another layer, and inside then finally we have the fibre optic cable itself. The fibre optic diameter of that cable is 0.25mm, or roughly 1/10 of the outer diameter, so it just shows the amount of layering protection that goes outside the fibre optic cable. If we look at the connector itself, there's just a little groove on it which allows it to be lined up and pushed in either into a barrel for joining or into a split or something like that. And then the outer casing here is threaded, so we can just screw it in and lock it into position securely. If we look at the applications of this pre-terminated fibre optic cable, would be used pretty widely in the telecommunications industry for high-speed data transfer. Nothing competes with fibre optic, and also for TV distribution. But fibre optic cable itself is so versatile that actually often it's been used for all three. So you can actually see various different packages being all offered down a single cable. In terms of our range of products, we have it from pre-terminated fibre optic cables running from 5 metres all the way up to 200 metres, and there's about 7 different lengths inside that range, and all the equipment is manufactured by Global Infocom. It's part of a wider range of fibre optic connectors, joiners, and things like splitters, LMBs, etc. And once again, all of that is coming from Global Infocom.